Alright guys, so today we're doing a little unboxing and review, first thoughts on the Wakeman. I don't remember the exact name, but it's a Wakeman net, fishing net. Haven't seen this in person, only online. I just feel like this. It is in plastic. Actually looks pretty nice. Oh yeah, that's pretty nice looking. Oh, maybe if I wasn't holding on to the handle. Ouch. There it is. It's a pretty nice net, actually. So it's got rubber. It's rubber netting. It's got a flat bottom, apparently. It's a 35-inch handle, which is plenty long enough to stretch it out. And then also for easy storage, it's got the collapsible handle, and that can just slide up. So it's really small when you store it. It's got black paint, gold colored paint, a nice, not rubber, but it's not, it's a hard plastic grip, which works fine. I like it. We'll see how it holds up to the bass and northern. Bass would be fine. It's kind of, if we get a big northern, that would be the true test, but seems pretty sturdy. I don't know, I can't really say much else, I haven't tested it. Nothing's broken on it. Price on this was $34, but it was on sale. The usual price was $40. So I mean, it's not an $80 net. You're not going to have the super high quality, but you're not going to break the bank for $80 net. I think that's all I can say. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.